Hey students, the last video we simply just started the digital portfolio and did the naming components and also shared it out to Mr. Fox. In this video, we're going to be building the pages and the banners. So we need to go over to pages and go down to this plus sign, new page. We're going to be creating 4 pages for our digital portfolio. Creating, performing, and please make it in this order. Responding. Please notice how every single one of them is capitalized. Connecting. Okay, now we're going to add background images that correspond with each 4 of these categories. So first, let's go to our home. This can be whatever you choose to be. The way we change the background image is we go change image. If you have a photo on your computer, you can upload it. If you don't, select image. Right at the start, there's a gallery of images that you can choose from that are built into the program, or you can go to if you have any photos on your Google Photos, you can use those. If you know you have a photo on your Google Drive, you can go there, or you can go to this search function. Now the search function, I'm going to say, even though it's Google Photos, you're not going to get the large library of photos that you might get if you just went into the Google search engine. So if you're not quite finding the image that you want, you can open up Google, type in your image, and then copy the URL, the web address, and then paste that here. So, but we're just going to go ahead and use the search function. Let's go band image. Here's a nice one. What's nice about this function is that it's going to pick photos that are the right size to put onto your digital portfolio. Now we're kind of cutting off this guy's head, so I'm just going to hit large, make it a little bit bigger so then that way you can see it. Okay, so going through each one of these, creating, this is going to be all our written music. So we want to find an image that corresponds with that. Writing music. There we go. So here's a bunch of compositional images. Let's go with this one. Perfect. Going to performing. This is obvious. This is obviously the page where we're going to be putting any sort of recording of our ensemble or our solo work. So since I'm a trumpet player, I'm going to put maybe trumpet playing. Here's a nice image. Responding is going to be the page that houses all of our written work when I give you an assignment to listen to music and then write about it. So a very popular image that a lot of students choose is an image of headphones. You can be creative with this and decide to pick something else that corresponds to responding. That seems like a nice image. And then connecting. Connecting is when we're going to look at music and how it connects to any other subject out there. So a popular image that some students like is something like music on the brain. we will go with, let's try this brain image out. I like it. I like it. So there we go. So now we have all our tabs designed out, ready to go. The next video we'll start talking about putting on content.